Course title, Leadership in Public Administration. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Hassan El Hassan, and I will be your course preceptor for the course, Leadership in Public Administration. Leadership in Public Administration is an advanced and multidimensional discipline that examines the art and science of guiding public institutions, government agencies, and policy-driven organizations toward achieving social, economic, and political objectives. In today's interconnected and rapidly evolving world, public leaders face an increasingly complex array of challenges, including political pressures, economic uncertainty, societal expectations, technological disruption, environmental crises, and the demands of global governance. This course is designed to equip you with the comprehensive knowledge, strategic insights, ethical grounding, and practical skills necessary to navigate these challenges effectively. At its core, the course emphasizes the integration of leadership theory with real-world public sector practice. You will explore classical and contemporary leadership theories, ranging from trait and behavioral approaches to contingency, transformational, and adaptive leadership models through the lens of public administration. The course examines how these frameworks guide leaders in managing bureaucratic structures, fostering innovation, and maintaining accountability, while simultaneously engaging citizens and stakeholders in meaningful ways. The course takes a global perspective, recognizing that public administration does not operate in isolation. You will explore international governance frameworks, cross-cultural leadership, and the roles of multinational institutions such as the United Nations, World Bank, and regional bodies. The course examines how global trends, including climate change, migration, technological innovation, and economic globalization, impact local governance and require leaders to think strategically, collaboratively, and inclusively.
Finally, the course prepares you for the future of public leadership. It examines emerging trends including adaptive governance, resilience planning, innovation labs in public policy, and participatory citizen engagement. You will explore how leaders can anticipate and shape the future of governance, integrating ethical, strategic, and technological considerations to create public institutions that are effective, equitable, and sustainable. Through interactive simulations, case studies, research projects, and scenario planning exercises, you will develop the competencies, mindset, and vision necessary to lead successfully in complex, uncertain, and rapidly evolving public environments. This course empowers you to become transformational public leaders, capable of driving meaningful change, fostering public trust, and achieving lasting impact on governance, society, and the global community. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.